Hello, dear friends. Let's start our the practice from the NXCAD tutorials. So today we will draw this plastic element. Here we can see it is a metric view and the top view and some cross-sectional view with the dimensions. Let's open our the NX. Open the new file as usual. The model. The units is in millimeters. Here the name of the model and the folder to be the saved. So press OK. As usual, we will start our the model with the two-dimensional sketch. In order to do this, you can select here the sketch or the sketch in task environment. Does not matter. So I will choose here the sketch and select any plane that the proper plane for our the sketch. Starting our sketch. In this case, I will select this X and the Y plane, lower plane. Press OK. So for the beginning, I will draw the rectangle and I will draw the rectangle from the center. So any rectangle with the dimension, then the press escape to exit from the rectangle dialog and define the dimensions of the rectangle of this element. So here is the 124 and here is the 71. So the length is here, the double click here 124 and press escape and double click here this side and it is the 71. Press enter. Now we can for the beginning we can extrude it at a distance of here is the 20 millimeter. So finish sketch and go to the extrude. Here the select and we can change it is the view and select this region and here the final distance is the 20 millimeter and press enter. Okay, so we extruded it. Now we can create here the fillets with the edge blend. So with the diameter of this is the radius is the 5 millimeter. So here select the edge blend and define here the radius is the 5 for the beginning. So and select step by step, select the edge to be the added edge blend. This edge, this edge, this edge, and this last edge. Just press OK. Now go here. It is the plastic element, it's shell element, so we can use the shell function to obtain this open walled element, and the thickness is given here is the 2 millimeter. So we'll use here the shell function. In the type we will just use this one, remove the faces, then shell this one, and here in the second row we will select the face to be the shell. This face you see it is a select, this is the showing, and the thickness, let's for the beginning change it 2 millimeter and select this face. So it is direction is the inward direction and just press OK. So I'll obtain it over the element here. Now you can for the in this time you can create this cylindrical element in the middle with here the diameter is the 20 and the smaller diameter is the 10. So with the here we have the chamfer of the 45 millimeter, 45 degrees in this side. So let's draw this element here in the middle. In order to do this, sketch, select the sketch, select this plane, just press OK, and from the direct sketch select the circle. It is located exactly in the middle. Draw any circle and go to the rapid dimension and define that this is 20 millimeter. and the second hole is a circle with the 10 millimeter. Select circle, and it is defined. It is the diameter is 10. Just press enter. Finish sketch. Go to the here this dramatic view. So now to extrude this sketch with the boundary. So only the boundary will be extruded, and the distance is the here is the 27. So here type is the 27, and we can make it unite with the base. Here select the ball on unite and press OK. So this is our the element. Now let's make it a chamfer here with the 1.5. Press OK. So and we can make here the, you see they have the here the fillet with the diameter of the radius of the here we have the 1. So edge blend here the change the radius to the 1 and select this edge. So and here also we have the radius 3. Go to the edge blend. Here the change the radius 3 and select this edge. It will be selected all the edges and just press OK. Now we will draw this element in the middle. So it is the here the distance is the 14 millimeter. In order to do this, let's create for the beginning the new datum plane at a distance of the 14 millimeter. So datum plane. So at the distance of the from this surface, here the distance is the 14. Sorry. See, datum plane is created here. Now we will create the sketch on this new datum plane. Select this new datum plane. You can select from here, from the part navigator, and press OK. We will draw the line here. It should be exactly located in the middle. I mean on this axis. So for the beginning, you can create any line. Then using the geometric constraint, we will locate it on this axis. Go to the geometric constraint, and here let's try this horizontal alignment. This horizontal alignment with this one, so it is located here, and just finish the sketch. Now I can use the rip function and select this curve, and here select the walls as this one perpendicular. So see, it is created, and the thickness of this one is I think the 2 millimeter. It's the same of the wall, so you can make it 2 millimeter. Press enter and okay. So here our the system, you can hide this one, you can hide this one, then hide this sketch also, and this sketch also. So here the one more element, here it is the rounded, so with the radius of the 2 millimeter. Here go to the edge blend, type is 2, here select this one and this one. That's okay. No, okay. Okay, edge blend, type 1, this one, apply, and rotate here, and this one, and apply. So you obtain it over the system, the project. So go to here, and here also we have the fillet. So select the edge blend again, and here the select this one. Okay, the refresh it. Okay, there is also, so we can select the system here. It is the 1 millimeter, and the same here, and see, now press OK. Here let me change the value, because the lower of the cylinder is a 2 millimeter of the radius, so I will change it here. This one, double click here. It was the one, but it is the, let's say, 2, and press OK. So go to the view, select the object display, select the object, press OK. Here the select the color, and let's make it green, and press OK. Okay, again. So this is our element. Thank you very much for your attendance, and see you on the next practices, and subscribe to my channel.